Power reliability is the backbone of modern infrastructure. From data centers to hospitals, uninterrupted operations depend on intelligent power monitoring. Introducing Lenexa's monitoring verticals with network and battery monitoring, designed to bring deeper visibility and control to critical power infrastructure. Monitor performance in real time with device-level analytics and operational insights across every connected system. Smart Alarm Management instantly detects abnormal conditions and sends alerts through email and SMS for rapid response. The Lenexa battery monitoring solution focuses on the most critical component of every backup system, the battery. Track voltage, temperature, internal resistance, and charge cycles across every battery in real time. Identify degradation trends early and plan proactive maintenance before failures occur. Lenexa's monitoring solutions bring greater visibility and reliability to power infrastructure. Lenexa,